Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladly Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to get TikTok on TikTok Live. Please watch this video to the very end, for the steps are easy. So what you have to do is this: tap on the plus icon at the front of the screen, then now make sure that your data is on. Turn on my data. Tap on live option. There's live option there. Okay. Tap on go live. Okay. Tap on guest. Tap on guest. Tap on settings. That circle. Icon with the circle. So it's already on layout. What I have to do now is tap on 5. I have to tap on 5 because I want to explain out. Let me change it. Okay, let me take it back to 5 so that you see how to get 6 bucks. Okay, now, so I changed it. It's already on layout. So what I did is I choose 5, the number 5 there, so that 1 box for host and the 5 box for my guest, which is total of 6. So guys, that is it on how to live. And this option cannot be on your TikTok if your TikTok is not updated. Please do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't leave all your comments at the comment section. Thank you.